A boy who has not been in a relationship for a long time will usually be in such a state. He has his phone with him all the time, but there is almost no one on WeChat to contact him, and he does not take the initiative to chat with others. It's boring to play games for a long time, and most of the free time is spent on short videos. Occasionally hearing a certain piece of music or a certain sentence will be a little touchy. He is silent in front of strangers, which is easy to make people feel uncomfortable. But in front of friends, he can actually make jokes. He is used to living alone, eating alone. One person walks, one person goes to the supermarket, and one person goes to bed late. Sometimes when he sees his lover together, he will feel envious. When he is in a bad mood, he also thinks that someone can accompany him. But when he calms down, he feels free and does not have to worry about others. He will not be disappointed if he has no expectations. He became cautious about starting a relationship. When he meets a girl he just met, he rarely takes the initiative to send messages, worrying that he is not good enough or that he may disappoint the other party in the future. He often feels lonely, but he is not willing to fall in love for love. He is afraid of repeating the mistakes of the past, so it's not easy to start and it's not easy to end. He gradually felt that things that don't belong to him were meaningless.